জনম আমার মরণ তোমার বুকে
without it. We can all agree that technology has a positive impact on our lives. Today's lifestyle is entirely altered, as you can now purchase online from the comfort of your own home, use the internet to do all types of research, communicate with loved ones from afar, and enjoy high-quality movies and materials while lying in bed. Because of good communication, our lives have become significantly more comfortable and convenient. Anyone's interaction with one another is no longer a concern. People used to have to wait days or months for a response, but that is no longer the case. We can now all see the dramatic changes that have occurred as a result of invention. We are only a few clicks away from sending messages or official mails to our loved ones as well as our office colleagues, thanks to cell phones. There are a variety of other advantages to smartphones, many of which have made life easier for us. WhatsApp, Skype, FaceTime, and other high-end smartphone programs allow you to view and engage with loved ones even if you are thousands of miles. There isn't a single part of our lives that isn't affected by modern technology. One important feature among several of these is a more effective and efficient advertisement. Active advertisements can help companies stand out from the crowd and capture customers' attention in real time. The travel sector has developed in an unexpected way in recent years, and it's all because of the right application of cutting-edge technology. Anyone can easily book their tickets, hotels, and check up on the status of in real time. Users can even easily navigate and locate locations as per their own needs without any middleman. Technology has greatly aided education by making learning a more comfortable and fun experience for students. And now people prefer to conduct research on the internet, since it is more convenient for them. People can also receive